In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this plugin is not supported in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by opening Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. When Edge opens, you'll see its sleek design and familiar layout. It's important to ensure that you are using the latest version of Edge for the best compatibility with websites. This is a crucial step because an outdated browser may cause issues with plugins and other features. Once you have Edge open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now navigate to the settings page. To do this, type in the following address in the address bar: edge/settings browser. As you hit enter, you'll be directed to the default browser settings. Here you will see various options that manage how Edge interacts with other browsers, particularly Internet Explorer. This step is essential because it allows you to configure Edge to use Internet Explorer mode, which is necessary for compatibility with certain plugins. Take a moment to ensure you are on the correct settings page before proceeding. Next, you need to enable an important feature. Look for the option that says Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. You will see a toggle switch next to this option. Click on the switch to turn it on. This action is significant because it allows Edge to load websites that require Internet Explorer, ensuring that you can access the content that the plugin needs to function properly. Once you have enabled this option, you will see the switch change color, indicating it is now active. After enabling that setting, the next step is to restart Edge. You can do this by simply closing the browser and reopening it. This step is crucial because any changes made in settings require Edge to restart in order for them to take effect. When you reopen Edge, it should now be configured to allow Internet Explorer mode. You might notice that the browser loads a bit faster, which is a nice bonus. With Edge restarted, it's time to open the website that was previously giving you trouble. Type the website's address into the address bar and press enter. As the page loads, you may notice that some elements appear differently or some features might still not work. This is completely normal, as we are still in the process of ensuring compatibility. Once the website is open, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This part is important because accessing the menu allows you to find additional options that are needed to reload the page in Internet Explorer mode. The three dots are your gateway to various useful features within Edge that enhance your browsing experience. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Reload in Internet Explorer mode. When you click this option, Edge will reload the current page using Internet Explorer settings. This part of the process is crucial because it directly addresses the compatibility issue with the plugin. You will see the page refresh, and you may notice that it now loads more smoothly, with the plugin functioning correctly. By following these steps, you've successfully configured Microsoft Edge to handle plugins that require Internet Explorer. This little adjustment can save you a lot of frustration in the future. You can now enjoy a seamless browsing experience without those pesky plugin errors. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.